Welcome back to part 3 in a flashlight series. In today's episode, we're going to be modeling this component here. Let's begin. Let's create a new component. And to create this new component, let's select the sketch on this face here of the previous component. What we're going to do now is create a center diameter circle starting from the center, and we're going to make it 9 millimeters. I'm sorry, 27 millimeters in diameter. Let's go ahead and hide component 2. Select E for extrusion for the extrusion tool. I'm going to make this 35 millimeters in length. And select the top view. Let's create a sketch on this face here. Let's select the line tool and construction. I want to make this 12 millimeters in length. Let's select the midpoint tool, select the line we just created, and select center point so it'll be directly in the center. Let's turn off construction. Use the center diameter circle tool. Make the diameter 2 millimeters for both circles. Let's go ahead and finish the sketch. Select the extrude command. Select both profiles for the circles. Type in -10. Operation is going to be set to cut. Rotate the cylinder around to the bottom. Create a sketch on this face as well. Center diameter circle. Let's put it in the center. 7 millimeters. Let's finish the sketch. Select the extrude command again. Select the circle we just created. Type in 2 for 2 millimeters. Let's create a fillet on this face. We'll make it 2 millimeters as well. Let's select the fillet command once again. Select the entire object and type in 0.25. Okay, let's bring back component 2. And let's create a sketch on this face here. Excuse me, this plane here. Let's zoom out a bit. Let's go ahead and hide component 2. Actually, let's keep component 2. Let's hide this component here, component 3. Go ahead and create a circle. And let's make this 9 millimeters. Now let's turn back on component 3 because it's complaining. Turn off component 2. Let's see what we have. Let's go ahead and finish the sketch. Select the extrude command. Select both profiles. And we'll make the distance 15.5 millimeters. Operation is going to be set to new body. All right. Let's create a sketch. Select the right view, create a sketch on this visible plane here. Zoom in a bit. Select the line command. Find a center point. And as you can see, you got the triangle and the X. That's your center point there. Draw a line over and make it 2.25 millimeters. Let's turn on construction. Let's create another line from this point and let's just bring it up. No actual distance, just bring it up as much as you like. Let's turn off construction line. We're going to be using the arc command, 3-point arc. Select this point here, and you'll see the tangent command down here. Once it's tangent left click, and it'll be done. Sketch is fully defined, and it's also closed. Finish the sketch. Going to use the revolve command. Profile is already selected. The axis, we're just going to select the cylinder. All right. Select modify, combine. Target body is going to be the cylinder here. Tool bodies is going to be this body here. Operation is going to be set to cut. We're going to keep the tools. Click OK. And there you have it. Let's go ahead and add some final fillets here to this edge and this edge here. We're going to make those 0.2. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I'll see you in part 4 of the flashlight series.